Hello, non-existers. Today, we're making another video. Sorry for the delay. We promised more videos. By the way, stop friending Kara. Just stop friending Kara and asking questions about the channel, okay? Like, you can follow our group and ask us, but don't friend us on Roblox. And you could just go to, we have an announcement video and join our Discord. If you don't have Discord, well, too bad. You don't exist. But we have a special guest today, a gamer girl, named Ellie.
Hello.
Yeah,
Hello there.
totally not, my friend. And we have, Story Shift.
Not his real life.
Story Shift, Kara. Yeah, aka Rouse right now. And I'm,
Yay.
and I'm, Albert. So funny.
That's someone.
The same guy was the murderer last round.
Really?
The gun is on the stairs because I just died.
But yeah, for real, guys, just stop friending us. Because
I
it's
told them to stop on my profile. You better stop.
yeah, you can friend me and all that stuff, but please say something in the video because I'm always
and then later it's gonna get really annoying.
No, it's not, and I'm gonna edit that part out by chance if I can.
Yeah, you need Screencast Editor Pro.
I'm lagging really bad.
Or you can just post a video and then just
Shh.
Ah!
But yeah, today it's another video of murder mystery. Murder mystery.
Has black hair.
I know I've been inside. If you guys have a question, just friend me. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
I just crashed.
Did you just really crash? It's the same guy. Stupid Jake with Supreme gear. What a noob. And he even has Jordans on. What a stupid noob. Newbie.
Did you get the gun on the stairs?
I can't.
No. I'm dead.
Yeah, I'm dead.
I'm standing next to Asriel right now.
Am I beautiful?
You're a beautiful goat.
Thank you, but I'm a penguin. Fat goat.
You're a fat penguin goat.
I'm not a penguin.
I'm a
goat.
wolf reindeer.
What?
See, look at my tail.
Wolf beautiful.
I'm wearing a salad on my head.
Get away from me. You're actually lagging really bad. Who says hello with an exclamation point? It's like, hello! Die! Die!
Oh, goodness. My gosh.
Am I beautiful? Am I beautiful?
You are a beautiful fat penguin goat.
I'm not a penguin. Hey, get closer. Look how beautiful I am. But today, yeah, I already mentioned that. But yeah, we die.
You didn't tell them what game we're playing.
I already told them.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
Oh.
Okay, go in the comment section and tell me if I said if I said it by chance.
And if you guys do say he did, I'm stupid.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh dear.
Stupid.
Oh, who was it? Who was it?
It was the person like he has an Eli effect.
You.
Yeah, that person.
You. I'm gonna hide. Shh.
Oh,
Get behind the door.
I'm the sheriff, boy. Oh, I knew. I'm the sheriff.
Let's get Kara in action.
Boom, boom, boom.
We're on the hunt for Kara.
I bet Kara's gonna shoot someone by accident.
Shoot me,
oh no. Ellie,
me.
no, Ellie.
Shoot me.
Get him.
Who the heck is
Do you
Mario?
actually? Are you really bad?
I am.
He admitted it.
Is this the blonde kid?
Just shoot a person and I'll do it. Let me.
Why are they just killing the...
Just let me shoot.
Ah, dang it.
Let me shoot. Just shoot someone.
Take the gun.
It's someone who has
I know.
a fire knife.
Come
Oh,
out.
there goes. There goes. There goes. There goes. Run. Run that way. Wrong way.
Oh, no. Darn it, I'm sorry. I failed. They have ghosts.
Haha, I
Yep.
took the gun.
I'm lagging.
And you're about to die.
And I already died.
They're teaming. Oh, this girl just sent me a trade. Give me
Wait,
something.
Wait, after. Here's the gun right here.
Don't accept her trade. She would just take your
Wait,
item.
after, look, the gun. It's right here.
I can't. I'm dead.
Wait, what?
I burnt. I'm dead. I burnt my butt, though.
Sweet potato.
Wait, you're still alive?
No.
Jeez. Hey, Kara.
Hello.
It's me.
When you come back from winter break, you see me. It's your worst nightmare.
No.
Hey, Kara. Hello, do you want me to throw a pun at you people, by chance?
I got a stainless knife.
What the hell?
Oh no. Oh no.
Hey,
I
hey,
got a
Ellie, I'm gonna
stainless-
give you something nice. Accept my trade.
No.
Do it. Thank
Trade
you.
stuff.
Okay, wait,
I
didn't
got that.
you
Oh,
Ray give
oh,
me?
wait,
Wait,
never
didn't I
mind.
Ray give you a knife?
No.
I gave you that.
Maybe.
I did.
These
Yeah, I gave
ones.
you that shiny.
These ones.
I gave you the shiny.
Mhm.
Yeah. You know what? Wait, I'm gonna.
Rude.
By the way, if you wanna dot. I'm kidding, but let me throw a joke at you people.
I
The
need
joke
you.
is
Stop
a girl
lagging.
sits at a bar, and she does this. No, wrong pose. She does dabs on your mom. Get away from me. Get away from me.
Yeah.
Get away.
Beautiful
Oh,
joke.
you ain't coming out. You ain't coming out. No, stay out. Stay in there, actually.
Where are you, Azriel?
Noob.
No, you.
This guy wants to trade with me.
Oh, they're
Don't
teaming.
accept.
Oh, let's see about that.
Oh, I'm innocent.
Same.
Oh God,
All the
Kara.
time.
Kara, don't think about it, please.
What?
Kara, please.
Don't do it, Kara.
Good. Be good.
Don't do it.
Kara, please don't hurt me.
I'll touch you.
Ew.
Disney nas. Cause the Disney. This
What
guy's
was that?
hello, you cheese gun noob.
Get away from me. This guy's chasing me. Get away. Help. 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 He's a fan. Get away from me.
I think he's just chasing you to troll you. That's what I got told last time. Okay, never mind. Not even matter.
gonna go on the computer so then that way I could.
Are you sure he's the murderer?
I feel like he is.
He's not even following
Get away from me. Get away. Boo, boo. Jake Paul. Why is this guy following me? He's scaring me. Kara, get away from me. Oh no, he has a knife. He has a knife. What is she doing? Get away from me.
Is she trying to kill you?
She's no, it's a boy. He's bald. Ew.
I'll be bait. I'll be bait. Hello.
Wait, is he wearing red?
Yeah, he's wearing red. He's disgusting.
I ran into
Okay, he's not
him.
the murderer. He's just baiting you. I just tested.
He's trying to mock me.
No, I just
It's
tested it.
cheese gun.
Stop. He's just trying to bait you. He's just trying to bait you. Stop moving. I know he's not the murderer.
He's-
And I ran into
I don't like
him.
that look on his face, though.
I ran into him and he didn't kill me. He's not the murderer.
Oh wow. It looks like we have 4 more minutes, people. I'm sorry. Yeah.
AFK, 'cause we would have got stabbed by now.
No. He's trying to mock me. Get away from me. Oh, well, we only have a couple more minutes.
Huh, look at this person in there. They look like they can be the murderer. No,
Oh, it's obviously.
obviously that.
Just saying.
18 XP.
We're gonna stop the
It passed 18.
we're gonna stop the recording now. It's been
I
nice.
just got
Wait,
It's-
it passed 18,000 EXP.
Well, it looks like we'll see you people in the next recording.
bye.
Bye bye.